Introducing Alex Vieira, a legend for many, a visionary for others, and a mentor above all. Let's look at some of his work. I discuss his aim, the benefits individuals and companies have experienced, and how you can use his insight. Alex shares his vision with those aspiring to succeed while shaping the future together. He knows that you can conquer your fears and excel, building a happier and more fulfilling future by collaborating on actual projects. Alex turns useless complexity into valuable simplicity. For example, investing is a simple game in which financial advisors convince the public that it is more complex than it is. Alex has published over 65,000 case studies since 1989, helping thousands by sharing his insight and principles. In addition, he discusses geopolitics, finance, technology, and new trends.
Hi, Alex here with Autonomous Trading. Today we are going to discuss one of the most important long-term core investment positions that I've been discussing here since IPO. So I'm going to start by sharing my screen with you. Here you have, this is the long-term chart. I'm just going to make a brief resume, saying that on IPO I recommended to buy 1 million shares. There are stories about it on articles on the blog if you want to go through them. I said at that time that no one was going ever to see those prices again. And I referred to PayPal as a lifetime holding. In other words, lifetime holding, I believe that is very explicit, okay? So it was one of the very first, one of the few companies that I said never to sell, okay? I believe that your question is at this point, why to address PayPal at this point? Because you are looking at the stock at $300, and this is what I expected the stock to achieve. Okay, so this is the announcement that what I expected you are seeing. Okay, something like $300 to $310. Okay, so what does it mean for us, at least? Maybe not for you, but for us. Okay, you do whatever you want. Like I said, you never had a reason to quit investing in PayPal. So here at this point, going forward, okay, in our case, we are reducing the investment. Okay, this is what I'm going to reducing 80%. 80% is significant. Okay, is very much significant. Reducing 80%. All right. Why? Well, for many reasons, my friends. Is that quite frankly, I'm tired of I don't have words. This is not about PayPal. It's about everything that I announced. Okay. So it's just that in our case, we are 100% happy.
I'm a small investor. I've got less than 50,000 in the market. I started investing about a year ago, started very small with about a $3,000 account. That account grew over 600% within the first, I'd say 4 to 5 months of utilizing Alex Vieira and Elena's guidance. I've participated in multiple products of theirs. I'm a YouTube member on Alex's YouTube channel. I've utilized his individual company analysis. What I like about Alex's and Elena's approach is there's no guessing. There's no guessing if it's going to turn out in your favor or are you on the right side of the trade. 100% of the trades that I've entered into, or 100% of the companies that I've invested in, have been winners. I've never had an investment less than 100% profit utilizing Alex and his team.